All right, we're back. Welcome to Valdez. Guess what? Does everybody see how bright it is out here? It is after 9 o'clock. We're closing in on 10 o'clock. We're doing a little waterfall hunting. One of my favorite places. This is Kyle's first time back here. Most people don't even know this exists. You can see back, that's Valdez. That's just yet another waterfall coming off beautiful mountainside here in Valdez. And the one thing everybody notices is it is green, and if you take a look through those trees, the green kicks out a beautiful waterfall that we're going to go up and check out right now. All right, so last time when we came here, it was July, and there was a decent amount of water, but this time there's even more here in early June. We're raging.